Very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate e-commerce conversation AI Shia. So here you can see this is our website to demonstrate our chatbot conversation AI capability. So here you can see the feature of our chatbot. Our conversation AI chatbot name is Shia, and it will help to track a order. Is there any complaint, or if you want to get some offer? So yeah, this our chatbot will help you in that thing. So yeah, this is a testimonial and other thing. And if you want to see the demo, after this, I will first will show the entire website, and our entire website is based on our chatbot capability. So here you can see the what are the feature available, promotion, offer related. So this is a live demo. So yeah, means if you want to find some base seller product, yeah, here you can see that you can find it. If you want to see promotional need, so here there is a promotional lead. If you want to check a return policy, so and you can check, and if you want to track a order, so you can check it. Yeah, so this is basically this bot is creating using dialog pro cx and natural language process, NLP. So yeah, what is the architecture of this chatbot? So in this, while we create a chatbot, we use Dialogflow CX, Cloud Function, and BigQuery. So yeah, what is the code functionality? So we use this is a code functionality of these two: Dialogflow CX, Cloud Function, BigQuery, and this is our entire conversation flow. Means in our chatbot we have this type of option, and if we talk about each option, so yeah, this will browse product will help you find a relevant product. Order status check you order identification and what is the order status of the particular thing. So yeah, this is some optimization. And what is the, if we want to scale, put our chatbot into production, so this is the entire roadmap to create a enterprise level chatbot. And last but not the least, this is a documentation of entire chatbot. We use which tool we need to use and how we design system architecture, which database, and how we create this type of chatbot using Dialogflow CX. And if you want to check this entire repo, source code of entire repo, so you can check it out our GitHub link where we provide entire source code. Not only this code, but also we provide data how to create database. So here you can see in sample order we have a database. So yeah, let me go through one use case and I will show you entire thing. So yeah, so if I'm this is our conversation AI agency. Yeah, means if user say hi, hello, or anything about greeting, so our chatbot will answer, hello, I am welcome to our e-commerce store, how I assist you. So yeah, means if I ask, I want to check a order status. So I want to check order status, and my order status and my order ID is this. So let me ask again question. Yeah, so we have a couple of option, like shoes, car, which thing we want to buy. If I click on shoes, so yeah, it will let me click on refresh and show you an entire thing again. Yeah, here we I think we face some issue, but let me restart again and I will show you entire thing. Yeah, um I want to check order status. Yeah, please your enter ID. So this is my enter. I put my order ID, and okay means, okay, I did, they will ask again to put order ID. So okay means I will put another one and let's see is this work or not. Yeah, here you can see the particular details. This is the order ID. If I check in 889, so here you can see the what is the customer name, order is CPAD, track ID is not available. So here you can see um yeah and CPAD and tracking ID. Yeah, 964 and 261. Yeah, this one, first one, 659. So yeah, means in this way we can check the order status. Okay, means I will go to check another offer. Means if I want to check some offer related thing, so I need to put some number related to, and I will get some coupon related to free gift. And if I means in this particular I can redirect, it will redirect into resource website, and yeah, that's it. And another feature is like if I say hi hello again, so yeah, means we will go in main menu, and whatever we need to do we can do it. Like if I want to go customer care, so I can mm, I want to complain. Yeah, means if I want to complain, so I can complete it. So these are the, we can say, our conversation AI capability. So yeah, thank you so much. In this video, yeah, couple of features are not working properly. We will debug this thing and create a enterprise level chatbot. And whatever code means how we created a big query and entire thing available in our GitHub repository, in this Shia GitHub repository. Also, we explain what are the flow and how we create a intent and everything. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day. We will um, meet on next lecture. Thank you.